We're in the middle of summer, and this is our watermelon patch. And we have 8 plants here. Don't ask me why I put them together, but they all look nice here. What we plan to do is let them crawl or spread towards here. We are clearing this area so we can let it spread over here. And aside from that, I saw this online, and they actually are watermelon bases. So since I saw that there are a few little fruit that are coming out, I decided to grab these and put them over here so that they'll be protected from the soil. Another thing that we are going to do here is we're going to lay some weed mat here. I know it's a little bit controversial about weed mat because of the plastic material that is part of the weed mat, but it is UV stabilized and it's going to last for quite a while. And yeah, it's going to make this place a little bit neat. We're flattening this area and removing the rocks and the weeds so that when we put the weed mat, it's not going to get punctured by the sharp objects. Yeah. Excuse. So the area that we're prepping is the width of the weed mat, and then we'll just go along as this one is growing. What I'm doing right now is flattening the soil as much as we could. So when we put the weed mat, it will be nice and neat. This weed mat, it's 2.8 meters wide and 50 meters long. The intention is to go down that way, covering it by layers. So I think we should start there on the curve so I know what the very edge is. So, okay, to there, darling. Okay, that much. Okay, let's cut that. Okay, hold it, darling, please. Okay. Okay, let's go.
Like it's plastic.
Yeah, this one is more environmentally friendly. But yeah. Yeah, I'll put this here.
You can put the watermelon.
Yeah.
Wait, you make this para that here. So
There you go. Weed mat installed. Next step is to put the base for the watermelon to grow. Yep, let's untangle them, but carefully. I'll put this one here. There you go. Okay, that's about it. Started growing. Keeping my fingers crossed that they would grow to maturity, and hopefully we'll have nice big juicy watermelons. Thanks for joining me. Till next video.